HVN has been tracking a tropical low that formed about 500 kilometers north-northeast of Darwin, Australia yesterday and is forecast to move into waters off Western Australia. The good news is the latest computer models suggest this storm may be following in the footsteps of Tropical Cyclone Veronica's path and stay off the coast for the moment. However, cyclones are unpredictable and subject to change. Over the next few days, the forecast is expecting the system to move west-southwest and slowly develop. On Thursday morning, the low is expected to cause squally thunderstorms in the Tiwi Islands, prompting the Bureau to issue a warning for flash flooding and damaging winds. According to the Bureau, on Saturday, there is a high chance of it reaching tropical cyclone intensity while being over the waters north of the Kimberley Coast, over the Browse Basin area. We will be tracking this storm daily and report new developments as they happen, so make sure to click the subscribe button in the lower right corner and click the bell for notification of new video updates. According to the Joint Typhoon Warning Center, there is a tropical cyclone formation alert. The storm is known as Invest-97S, located approximately 188 nautical miles north of Darwin, Australia. Formation of a significant tropical cyclone is possible within 120 nautical miles either side of line from 8.9 south and 131.2 east to 11.2 south and 126.9 east within the next 12 to 24 hours. Winds in the area are estimated to be 28 to 33 knots. The system is moving west-southwestwards at 9 knots. 97S is in a favorable environment with excellent poleward outflow, low 10 to 15 knot vertical wind shear, and warm 29 to 30 Celsius sea surface temperatures. Global models are in very good agreement that 97S will track southwestward along the Western Australian coastline while intensifying to warning criteria within 24 hours. The potential for the development of a significant cyclone within the next 24 hours is high. Here is the latest development from the Australian Bureau of Meteorology.
Hello from the Bureau, and even though we are in the second month of autumn, the tropics are still active, and it's off the northwest of the top end where we're currently monitoring a tropical low. The latest satellite shows thick cloud and thunderstorm activity associated with the low just off the Tiwi Islands. The low is expected to continue intensifying and may develop into Australia's 8th cyclone of the season as early as Friday or during Saturday. If it does, the next name on the list is Wallace. Until then, a severe weather warning is current across the northwest top end, including Darwin and the Tiwi Islands, for damaging winds and heavy rainfall leading to flash flooding. We're already seeing heavy rain develop around the system, and some coastal communities across the Coburg Peninsula and Tiwis may see daily totals in excess of 150 millimetres, with wind gusts to 100 kilometres an hour reaching further south into the Daly and Northwest Arnhem districts. At this stage, the tropical system is not expected to impact land areas of the Northern Territory at cyclone strength. However, it may have impacts on some northern coastal locations of Western Australia from as early as tomorrow. As such, a cyclone watch has been issued for communities between Columbaroo and Cockatoo Island, and people within this area may see gales develop from late Friday or during Saturday. The system is then likely to move in a southwesterly direction through the weekend, and although this computer model scenario keeps it offshore in the short term, there is the potential for it to approach the Pilbara coast early next week, possibly impacting the same areas that were recently affected by severe tropical cyclone Veronica, and the grey shading does show the potential track the system could take.